Today, we're looking at salamander anatomy and dissection.
Let's talk about that. Hey guys, today we're gonna be dissecting a salamander and analyzing all the different parts of its body.
Let's start learning about the salamander.
All right guys, now we're gonna start our external evaluation of the salamander. Why don't we all take a look together, class? Come on, Connor. Here's our salamander. You see our salamander looks kind of cute. I'm touching it with my bare hand. That's okay though. Look at how it. Why don't we first take a look at its body?
It's got 4 legs.
4 legs. It's an amphibian. Nice tail. It's on land and water. It has this tail that helps it swim through the water.
It's got a cloaca right back here.
It has a cloaca.
For our tiger salamander, its phyla is chordate and its class is amphibian. And we can see in its anatomy how it's adapted to living on land and water like other amphibians. Other examples would include things like axolotl and frogs. Salamanders live on land and in the water, so they have developed external gills to live in the water and lungs in order to perform gas exchange.
All right, guys. So first, with our salamanders, we are gonna take a look at it. Actually, they can regrow their tails. So we're first gonna start by cutting off its tail to see if it can regrow. No, just playing, guys.
You want to pin him down, put his legs in?
All right, guys, we're gonna pin our salamander down and we're gonna start to turn him out. All right, so now we are going to start to make an incision into the thing. We're gonna open up his midline. So here we got the insides of our salamander. Male salamanders lay a sperm sac in either water or land, which a female salamander finds and takes that sperm sac, it inserts it through her cloaca, and then takes it, and which then allows for the eggs in her ovaries to become fertilized, which will then move to the oviducts. Oviducts are the same as fallopian tubes in humans. Eventually, after the eggs have been fertilized enough, the salamander will lay them, which then will become little baby salamanders. All right, so now we got a more opened up version of our salamander. Please focus. There we go. See this stuff right here? This is the oviduct of the salamander. This is the oviduct. This black part right here is actually the ovary. This is salamander is very much female. I've been calling it he, but she has, this is where she fertilizes her eggs from the sperm packet that she receives through her cloaca and makes little baby salamanders. Our tiger salamander's digestive system is actually a lot like a human's digestive system. Here you can see is the salamander's stomach. Then it goes into the pyloric valve all the way to the small intestine. Underneath the small intestine is the large intestine. It's a little hid underneath the small intestine, and it's a lot more linear than a human's large intestine. Then all the waste that is gathered is excreted through the salamander's cloaca. All right, guys, so we see right here for the digestive part of the salamander we have right here is its liver. We're gonna cut this out to see the stomach behind it.
All right. Our digestive system, if we see down up in here, starts with our esophagus as it goes to the mouth. And then this little pouch-like structure is our stomach. And then it'll go to the small intestines, which you can see is right there. And as we follow that, under here near the ovaries, it goes into the large intestine where it eventually comes out in the cloaca.
The circulatory system for a salamander has both arteries and veins, just like our humans. The arteries take the oxygenated blood to the body, and the veins bring the deoxygenated blood back to the heart. However, in an amphibian's heart, it only has 3 chambers compared to a human's 4-chamber heart. Humans have 2 atria and 2 ventricles, while an amphibian heart only has 1 ventricle and has 2 atria.
Alrighty. If we look and a little bit over the stomach, let's see if this will focus. Come on. That's its heart. Salamander's hearts have 3 chambers. Actually, the skin, for example, or you might be able to see that, yeah. See a lot of the different kind of veins and arteries going through that.
Okay, salamanders have kidneys. In these kidneys, the nephrons do not have lubrication. This is an example of osmoregulation because of their habitat not wanting to reabsorb water. Afterwards, the urine is pushed through the cloaca and outside the body.
We see that this black part right here, right there. That right there is our kidneys.
Alright. And then do you want to show
wait,
the
can
spleen
you-
and the pancreas real quick?
Yeah. Hold on. Can you get right in there?
I can't. I know. I saw it on the video. Like I could see it a little. There it is.
Right there, that little black thing's the kidney. You tell me where the spleen and pancreas is.
The spleen and pancreas are gonna be right next here. It should just be. They're pretty ripped up, anyways. You see, like the little. It's like a little brown thing next to the stomach will be the spleen. You can kind of just like point anywhere. And
Here, you point at it with this.
so the spleen should be right. See this little brown bit under all the intestines and ovaries. You might not be able to see it that well.
Wait, no, I think I got it.
The spleen is in there. Alrighty, and then the pancreas should have. There's a triangular thing right there under the stomach. Is the pancreas? It's a little ripped up because of our hack job. However, that's all right. That's
Can you
okay.
move it up one more time?
Yeah, it's a little under there.
Yeah, I got a good picture of that. In a salamander, its cornea and lids are much larger than usual. A salamander's brain has regenerative properties, unlike a human's brain. This actually allows us to study it and figure out ways to prevent and possibly treat neurodegenerative diseases. Until further research, that is its entire brain. Here is comparison. Its brain with its body is its entire brain. Look at that. Is so nice. That is so nice. Look at all this like mucous membrane right there. Is that the meninge? Is that how that works?
Unless this is like this tissue that protects the brain. I don't know. I think that's it.
Look at his eyeball. Right there. There it is. A really good close-up shot of it on my finger. There's his eyeball.
I'm doing something maybe a little more.
There's his pupil lens. So nice, so nice. Here is, look at all that juicy meat. Hold on, let me focus it. That is prime to eat right there. I'll put that in the video. That'll be cool. Can you get in right there? Can you get a picture of that?
Nathan, do you check for an organ donor card?
Oh yeah, he had one.
Alright.
She. I keep on saying he. Very much a girl. Sorry, Sally.
Tyler didn't have any organ donor cards. We're gonna throw all of his organs away. I thought I'd take one of them, but he didn't have an organ donor card.
Nathan,
Did
what
you
are
see
you doing?
one?
I'm gonna get this the rest of this spine out.
Sally.
I think I got it. Salamander.
It's not even an animal.
Look at that vertebrae right there.
No, we can't drive shark.
Look at that. That is nice. That is nice. This is prime. Look, because you have this. We have this stuff right here.
Synovial fluid or something. I don't know.
Yeah. Because you do the spinal tap. Spinal taps. Oh, that's good stuff right there.
We're gonna keep our
Like honestly, if you wanted to, you could just take a big bite out of that.
Shark by then. You can't tell that's a salamander.
That's I think we got it.
Salamanders begin as eggs in the water. They then grow into larvae which have budding gills. As the larva matures, it grows fore and hind limbs until eventually it reaches adulthood where it has all 4 limbs and is capable of living in water and outside of water. In conclusion, salamanders are pretty cool dudes. We gotta cut it open and see what was inside.
That's right. Being able to learn about the salamander's body can really help us understand both our own body and the bodies of people around us, form and function. Glad I got to turn out that salamander today.
How do you feel about your dissection?
Terrible.
This is going in Nathan and Connor's dissection video.
I mean, it was really good. It was really fun.
How did you feel about the dissection lab?
It was good.
This is going to Nathan's video. How do you feel about the dissection lab? Oh, that's rough. How do you feel about Nathan and Connor's dissection lab?
Thank you.
Great. Brady, how do you feel about the dissection lab? Salamander. Miss Price, do you think Nathan and Connor did a good job with their dissection lab?
I think so.
Okay, good. It's going in the video. The most important parts of the dissection lab. This is the most important part.
All right, rate it right now. Scoot back. Rate it. Should I put that in the video?
No. Miss Price is gonna be like, why'd you just drop it on the floor?
Yeah, but Miss Price isn't here right now.